Hi everyone, Angela here. Welcome back all of my plant friends, and if you are new here, I'm so glad that you have been able to find me. And we are going to talk today about my Manjula. We'll call it a collection at this point, but I actually ran over to our Walmart. I live in a tiny town, kind of in the middle of nowhere. I'm like 2 hours from a big city, and I ran into my Walmart, and they always have a really pathetic selection of plants, but I don't know how I got so lucky this time. And so I just thought, oh, I'll show you guys. Like, look at this gem, okay? Look at this. This is a Manjula. Okay, so if you don't know, this is probably my favorite type of pothos. Anyways, and when I got my very first one, I didn't know that this is what it was, and then you all, my awesome plant friends, helped me identify it, and now that I'm a little bit more experienced about plants, I know how, like, what the key identifiers are with this plant. And so I thought we could just talk about them a little bit today. So if you're new here, like I said, my name's Angela, and I'm really excited that you're here and that we've connected. So make sure you drop a comment below and introduce yourself, because the whole reason I'm doing this channel is so that we can connect and help each other learn about plants and have just a really good time doing it. So like I said, I got this at Walmart, and I think I paid like $13 for it, which, I don't know, seems like I don't like spending my money at Walmart in the first place, but I can't go anywhere because of the virus, and I have 2 little kids, and I don't like taking them places. I just don't. And so anyways, I hit up the Walmart, and they had this hiding in there, and oh, I got another plant, but I left it in the office, and it is it's a lemon lime philodendron, and it's incredible, and it's about this size, same price, beautiful. I'll show you guys next time. But this has like 5 plants kind of on the inside. So when I think about it that way, I'm like, okay, like, let's round it up, $15, 5 plants, $3 a piece, totally worth it. That's how I logic myself into buying plants. But it's really great. There aren't too many of them that are trailing yet, which I really like, because I like really full plants, and then once it starts to trail, that's what I use to propagate, because I don't have too many plants that are just trailing. Just my preference. It will change someday. Everything changes for me. Anyways, so some identifiers, let's talk about that for a second. So when I got my very first Manjula, it was this one, and it was incorrectly labeled. It was labeled as pearls and jade, and I didn't know any better because I was like brand new to plants. And I told everyone, I'm like, I think this is a pearls and jade, but I don't know. Maybe tell me. And you guys all were so awesome and helped me out, said it's a Manjula. And now I've learned that a Manjula actually is a crossbreed between a marble queen and an enjoy. Yes. So it has like the enjoy striking leaves that are like very like white and green. Okay, that variegation that's very defined. And then the marble queen, I brought mine here to show you guys, is just very lightly marbled, right? The variegation is very marbled. I guess it's not as striking as the enjoy. And so, oh, but wait, let me show you this one leaf. Look at this. Isn't that perfection? I don't know. I just love it. Anyways, so that's where you get the leaves that are marbled and that they have that dark contrast between the white and the black. So that's where the Manjula comes from, University of Florida. I don't know if I said that, but they are the ones who are making all of these awesome hybrids. And so the other really cool thing, the easy way that you can identify a Manjula from the other pothos, is that the leaves are all curled at the base of the leaf, and so they never lie flat, which I think is so cool. So kind of think of it like as a tulip shape, but that's a really easy way to tell a Manjula if you don't have any of the other pothos varieties to compare it to. Just think of the leaf shape. Also, they're like really big and broad, as opposed to like the long, lean marble queens. Yeah. So, but yeah, like I said, this was the first one. Oops, I'm dropping dirt everywhere. Good thing we have tile. So this is the first one that I had, and then I loved it so much. I've propagated this a few times. This is one that I propagated. Look at that leaf. Isn't it gorgeous? I propagated it. I cut off one of the leggy legs. It had 3 leaves on it. I water propagated them for like 2 months and then threw them in soil and bam, it's a whole new plant. So look at that, like $15, $3 a plant, you propagate it, you have a whole new plant, and then it's even cheaper, right? This is like how I justify buying plants, because I'm like, I'll be able to make more plants, and then I give them as gifts. And I can't give this one away. Like, I feel like every time I propagate a plant the first time, that first baby, I can't part with. I don't know why. It's like a part of me. But then everything else, like all the rest of them that I propagate, like they're nothing to me. So I'm like, yeah, you can have one, you can have one. But yeah, so I propagated this guy. He lives in a north-facing window, so it's not like a super fast grower. But he's doing really good. Like this leg, look at that. Look at all those leaves. Woo, woo, woo. So he's doing good. Anyways, I'm just really excited about this, and I thought you guys would be excited too. Beautiful plants. I'm not sure. I had this in the office for a while. Now I've had it at home for about a week. And it's just so beautiful. And it's so full. So I just don't know. I just don't know what to do with it. But like, look at this leaf. It's like all white variegated, you know? So right now I have it living in my bedroom. I'll do a houseplant tour. You guys know, like, I move my plants around pretty much every time I water them, because I'm like, oh, would you be happier over here? Would you be happier over here? And most of them are like, yeah, whatever, Angela. We're fine. But he's sitting like right by my desk, because I'm working from home 2 days a week now, and so I found like I need to move plants by my work desk because it makes me happy. But yeah, so this is my new baby, and I feel like Jacqueline right now from Jacqueline's Jungle. She poses with all of her plants. It's so cute. Yeah, and I just thought I would share with you guys. So that's it, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have a couple more videos, like I said, of the new plants that I've gotten. I have to like sneak them into the house and hide them, and then I can talk about them and enjoy them after they've been here for a while, because they'll be like, yeah, we've had it forever, and my husband won't know. I know you guys all do that too. It's like a plant secret like tactic, right? Okay, anyways, I will let you guys go, but thank you so much. If you made it this far, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. You know, help me out, let me reach to the rest of the people in the plant universe. I'm really trying hard to get like 250 more subs in the next like 2 months. So you guys can help me out with that. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And if you're new, oh my gosh, yes, remember to comment below and introduce yourself. Let me know your name, your favorite plants, ask me some questions, and let's be friends, okay? Have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.